Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can I roll a pension into a 401k? If you're nearing retirement or considering your options with a traditional pension plan, you might wonder if this is a viable choice. While consolidating your retirement funds can sound appealing, there are some critical factors to consider. Let's dive in and break it all down for you. First, let's look at the difference between a traditional pension and a 401k. A traditional pension plan, also called a defined benefit plan, provides guaranteed income for life. The amount you receive is usually based on years of service and your salary history. On the other hand, a 401k is a defined contribution plan. With a 401k, your retirement income depends on how well your investments perform. Plus, you have the flexibility to withdraw funds as needed or through required minimum distributions, RMDs, once you reach age 73. Here are the key differences. Pensions offer steady, guaranteed income, while 401ks are tied to the ups and downs of the market. When it comes to taxes, pensions are fully taxable, while 401ks can offer some flexibility depending on whether it's a traditional 401k or a Roth 401k. So, can you roll a pension into a 401k? In most cases, the answer is no. Pensions are typically paid out as monthly annuity payments or a lump sum, and they aren't designed to roll directly into a 401k. But if your employer offers a lump sum distribution instead of monthly payments, you might be able to roll that lump sum into a 401k or an IRA. If you're considering this route, here are the steps to take. First, check with your pension plan to see if it offers a lump sum option. Next, if you want to roll the lump sum into a 401k, confirm that your plan accepts rollovers. Alternatively, rolling into an IRA could give you more flexibility. Finally, consult a financial advisor. This is crucial to avoid tax penalties and make the most of your retirement income. In many cases, rolling your pension into an IRA might be a smarter move. IRAs often provide a wider range of choices compared to 401ks. They also give you greater control over your investments and the freedom to tailor them to your goals. Unlike a fixed pension income, an IRA offers the potential for market growth, which could increase your retirement savings. If you love the idea of guaranteed income but want more flexibility, consider rolling your lump sum into an annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit, or GLWB. An annuity can mimic your pension's steady income, but it also offers benefits like protection against inflation and the option to leave a legacy for your loved ones. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at Georgia Safe Retirement Planners or call us to schedule a free consultation at 470-888-SAFE. Again, that's 470-888-7233. You can also come see us in downtown Roswell. We're at 1124 Canton Street. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.